Meeker County 911.
We've got a fire.
Where's the fire at in the home?
The whole house is on fire, ma'am.
Okay.
We're fine. We got out before the smoke got so bad. Now it's just pure black.
Paynesville Fire Department have reports of a house fire at the Richard.
Whoops, sorry, Morgan.
There are moments in your life that change everything. Karen and her husband have always been proud of their grandchildren.
Yeah.
But their granddaughter Morgan holds a special place in their hearts after an early morning fire in July.
I heard knocking at my door, and it was Morgan. And she said, Grandma, I can hear the smoke alarm going.
Morgan, who was spending the night at her grandparents' home just south of Paynesville, suddenly woke up to the sound of an alarm.
Morgan's role was huge, that she heard the smoke alarm, and because the door to our bedroom was closed where I was sleeping.
The house was filling with smoke. The porch was on fire, and flames were spreading quickly.
It came so fast that it got so black that there wouldn't have been much time to get out of the house. So her role was huge, in saving my life.
It's a situation that could have ended very differently had it not been for working smoke alarms and an 11-year-old's quick thinking.
I heard the fire alarm and I thought she was baking something, so I tried to go back to sleep but it never shut off, so I got up, saw the smoke, knocked on her door, and then we left.
Moments after they both escaped, the home went up in flames. Today, Karen is grateful everyone got out safely.
I don't think Morgan or I would have gotten out. It was somewhat surreal because, you just can't believe your house is going to go up in flames like that. Even when we left the house, I don't think I ever thought that it would be a full-blown fire. I just thought, okay, it's just a little something, it'll get put out and we'll be fine. And
according to the National Fire Protection Association, working smoke alarms cut the chance of dying in a residential fire in half. It's stories like this that prove that these detectors provide the vital seconds needed to safely escape a burning building.
And I thought they were important before, but I think I didn't realize how important, so I realized how it is seconds to get out of that house. And I think for people to have their smoke alarms working, have their batteries checked, or whatever, just make sure they're working, is huge to get people out of homes.
And for Meeker County, house is fully engulfed.
Talking about the fire still isn't easy for Morgan.
It's really sad and it brings back really bad memories.
But it shows why it's critical to make sure your smoke alarms are always working, even to a young girl.
Always check your batteries and your fire alarms, make sure they work. Be prepared. Always get up if you hear an alarm and check or see if it's the smoke alarm and get out of the house.
It's those actions that help prevent further tragedy and let Karen continue to create precious memories with her grandchildren.
Thanks.
For the Department of Public Safety, I'm Josh Canoto.